Yay! Okay, time to start the vlog. Hi, we're in Korea right now at Incheon Airport. We got here at like 4 a.m. but we're just sitting. We're very tired. But now everything's open and we're going to gate 41 to see if they have BTS line friends like merchandise. It's mostly just me that's excited, but yes. We are going to be here until 9 or like 8:40-ish, and then we're going to go on our plane to Japan. So hopefully the BTS stuff is there. So we'll see you there. Where the BTS at though? So they didn't have it there. I am so disappointed. I checked Twitter. There's a picture. They betrayed me. But it's okay. There's also one at gate 250. So if we can, we'll check it. If not, we go to the one in Japan. Yeah. We have ramen after Justina had a stressful episode.
I accidentally paid
$100 ramen. But it's okay, we good now. They have Tokyo banana flavored Kit Kats. And all this variety. What's this? This one looks pretty good too. Why did they make Kit Kat look so bougie? Flavor. Oh, they have fruit flavors. Oh. We're out here in the bathroom. This is the top floor. Oh! Yay! We made it! There's a lot of people here, like having picnics. Oh my god! It looks better in real life than on camera. So we just spent like an hour and a half at this park. It was really fun because we ran into people from UCI and they took pics for us, so that was super nice of them. We are now entering the line store in Harajuku and they have, wait, is the lighting even good? Yeah, okay. They have the BT21. Okay. It's right here. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. This is why I came to Japan. Oh my gosh. They're not for sale. OMG. Wait, I'm so gonna buy a pillow. Why do you say not for sale? This is Chimmy for Jimin. How much are they though? I'ma cry. Wait. It doesn't say. We're going to see if there's a section for them. So this is a fail part 2. I don't know what the sign says, but it wouldn't let me go. It wouldn't let me go. We're leaving now. Oh wait. I want a picture with the window. Look how cute it is. Wine friends make merchandise. They have the BT21. This is why I came to Japan. I don't know what the sign says, but it wouldn't let me go. I got banana and raspberry. These ones are really good. Which ones are you gonna get?
I want to get them all, but it's gonna add up.
This is video.
Video.
止まっちゃった。
Yay.
難しいです。
We finally made it to the park. It's super crowded today because it's the weekend, but it's so pink. I think these are the most pink cherry blossoms we've seen so far. We are trying to find a spot to no avail. It is so crowded.
It's not what I imagined our picnic to be like.
Yay, Ueno picnic. Yes, we could not find any spots, but we found yakisoba. Successfully bought it. Everything else is a struggle.
How to do a noodle pull.
Asian squat.
My legs hurt from squat.
They keep staring at us.
Snapchat story.
I feel like I'm getting repulsed. We are in Shinjuku now, and we are on the way to finding Mr. Donut finally. We've been wanting to try Mr. Donut since day one. We finally had a chance, so we're relying on Google Maps to help us get there. I don't know what flavor this is. It looks like it has some toasty glaze on it.
I'm gonna eat this. And next time you will.
No, I got a sakura latte randomly at the train station. I just couldn't resist. So it's so small. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like the size of the advertised picture. I don't think you could tell because my lens is really tiny. Okay, I wouldn't say it's amazing. But I think the first initial taste was like cherry menacing, but then now it has more of a yogurty like flavor. I don't know. It's called Beck's Coffee Shop. That should tell you. Thanks a lot, Becky.
Stay over. Getting places.